Someone said, don't drink her potions. She'll kiss your